How to restart your PS5. First of all, you're going to need to get your PlayStation 5 controller, because there you're going to want to press the PlayStation logo that's in the middle bottom part, as you can see here. That's going to bring up this menu where you want to go ahead and scroll along the bottom part. So whether you're in a game or out of game, press that middle button there. Then you want to scroll along to the right hand side until you see the little off icon here where it says power. Click X on that. There you will be able to click on Restart PS5. Then once you clicked on Restart PS5, it should go onto this screen here where it says restarting your PS5. Then it should take around about 10 to 15 seconds to fully turn off your PlayStation 5 and then turn on again. So you can see the full process here of it turning off, then turning back on again. And then that will also turn off your controller. So make sure you go ahead and turn your controller on like usual again to be able to use it. And then it will fully log on to your PlayStation 5 like so. Please do leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.